I strongly believe in eating healthy and living a vibrant lifestyle. Welcome to my channel where I share lifestyle, food, and everything fun. Today, I juiced frozen watermelon, apples, fermented apples, carrots, and lemon. You do not need to wait till you're able to afford a juicer before you can prepare your homemade fruit juices. All you need is your blender, a sieve, and a liter of patience. Watch as I prepare my juice.
If you know, the big ballers in town. Now you know, now you know. Ebelebege fuck with on them, yeah. Agua baller, how much is money? Ballin', premium or nothing. Now you know, now you know. Imana ebelebege fuck with on them, yeah. Ayagaya, igirigi, ayagaya, bombo, hey, ayagaya, igirigi, ayagaya, bombo, ayagaya, igirigi, ayagaya, bombo, hey, ayagaya, igirigi, ayagaya, hey, undefeated, undisputed, unopposed, luxury or nothing. Money is talking, money is talking. Blessings on blessings. Forget what they're on them, man. Yeah. Aquabola. How much is money? Ballin'. Premium or nothing. Now you know. Now you know. Imana ebelebege boo. Forget what they're on them, man. Yeah. Ayagaya. Igirigi. Ayagaya. Bombo. Ayagaya. Igirigi. Ayagaya, bombo, ayagaya, igirigi, ayagaya, ha, bombo, ayagaya, igirigi, hey, give me the sax now. Woo! Ha, go, aya, awo, chee. Ice. Fall in love. Love can catch anyone. Strong, fearless, beautiful, bold, rich. No matter who you are, it can catch you. And when it catches you, don't fight it. Let it go. I have a friend, Usman Damfodio Alahaji. He fell in love with a girl from Ipanema. His heart was broken. He was able to survive it with the help of the great therapist of our time. We call him the love doctor, Wenga. This track is a soft, melodious. Just let it flow. We all should fall in love. I think it's a beautiful thing. As we fall in love again, this I promise you. As we fall in love again, this I promise you. Give you all the loving, give you all the care and attention.